Let's get to all the updates you need to know this morning on the coronavirus vaccine front, particularly for us here in India. We're all set to decide if and when we need to go ahead and authorize emergency use of the COVID vaccine under development and trial in India. An expert committee is set to review applications for the emergency use of vaccines. Serum Institute of India, Bharat Biotech and Pfizer's applications are set to be reviewed by a committee of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Pfizer, remember, had applied for emergency use node in India on December 4th. That was followed by Serum Institute, who filed a similar application on December 6th. And the latest to join that list is Bharat Biotech, who filed their application on December 7th. These applications will be reviewed by the subject expert committee, and this panel will be submitting the recommendations to the Drug Controller General of India on whether to grant approval for emergency use to any of these vaccine candidates. Remember that on Tuesday, the Health Ministry in its briefing stated that 8 vaccine candidates are being developed and are at different trial stages in India. Milan Sharma is joining us live from Delhi with more details on this. Milan, good morning. There's been so much focus on the United Kingdom and the fact that they've started doling out the first doses of the vaccine. It's led inevitably to a lot of questions about what's happening in India as well. Any timeline really of when we can expect some announcement about these emergency use authorization applications?
Well, as far as the timeline is concerned, Akshita, it's an emergency use authorization, and the Indian government has made it very clear that we could see a vaccine ready for market within weeks from now. And certainly there are 3 candidates that have applied for the emergency use authorization, despite the fact that India doesn't have a specific provision. But since this is a pandemic time, the government has clarified that they would be providing this EUA 2 candidates that have proven efficacy and safety. So 3 candidates. The meeting will be held sometime after noon today. And the expert subject committee that does the meeting, the details of which is confidential, who the members are, will provide recommendations to the CDSCO. And certainly we could have a vaccine candidate ready for marketing within weeks. Remember, Pfizer has been proven efficacious. The US FDA has also said that 1 dose of Pfizer provides antibodies within 10 days of the first shot. So therefore, Serum Institute, Bharat Biotech and Pfizer, all 3 in line to get that crucial emergency use authorization for markets. And so that Indians could be vaccinated here.
All right. We'll be tracking the latest. Milan, for the moment, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.